Here's a new method for recovering your MetaQuest 2 or MetaQuest 3. When it's doing the boot loop, or in my case, get stuck on an update. First go to Google and type in Meta Software Update Tool. Click on the Update Your MetaQuest software. I'm going to include a link in the description in case you want to just follow that. Now click on Software Update Tool link. Click on the model of headset giving you grief. Make sure your headset is off. Click Continue. Press and hold the volume down button and power button at the same time. If done correctly, you'll then see the boot menu. If done incorrectly, you will either see no command or nothing at all. Use the volume keys to go to Sideload Update and tap the power button. Your headset charge light will then turn purple, indicating that's ready for an update. Plug in your headset to your PC and click Continue. A new window will appear, but for some reason my stupid recording program didn't want to record it. So, whatever. Anyways, you click on your headset in this little tiny window that appears, and then click Continue. Click Download. Do not disconnect your headset throughout this process. And just so you know, this part has been sped up. This first part is going to take about 15 minutes, depending on how fast your internet is. So, first the website will download the firmware to your headset, then it will actually apply the update to your headset. After it downloads, you will then be prompted to install the software. Again, do not disconnect your headset. And this has been super sped up, I think I have it times 30, so you're gonna be waiting for a bit. Once completed, the website will then automatically restart your headset. And don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, yada, yada, yada. It really helps the channel out, engagement. Anything helps. Really appreciate you guys. And yeah, thank you. Anyway, once that's done, you're done. Go boot up your headset, which should no longer be boot looping or stuck on update. Again, thanks for watching. Goodbye.